You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
If you're planning an international move, you've probably heard the term door-to-door service tossed around, but what does it actually mean? Hi, I'm Laura Lee from SDC International Shipping, and in this episode, we're demystifying door-to-door international moving and explaining why it might be the smartest choice you make when moving abroad. So what is door-to-door moving? Door-to-door moving means just that. SDC picks up your belongings at your current home and delivers them directly to your new residence overseas, whether you're moving to Tokyo, Toronto, or Tuscany. No terminals, no foreign warehouse stops, no third-party handoffs without your knowledge. It's a single, managed process from your front door in the US to your front door abroad. Why does this matter? Because international moving isn't just shipping. It's coordinating, compliance, and care. A proper door-to-door service handling includes professional packing, custom documentation, freight forwarding, destination handling, and final delivery, often right into the room where you want the furniture. That's peace of mind, especially when your life is packed into boxes and traveling thousands of miles. Is it worth it? We think so, and so do our clients, and here's why. Fewer headaches. You're not coordinating 3 different companies. No language barriers. We manage communication on both ends. Accountability. SDC is responsible for the entire journey. Whether you're an expat, a military family, or relocating for work, we streamline every step. What's included? When you book a door-to-door move with SDC, here's what you're going to get. In-home survey and quote, packing and crating services, pickup and transportation to port, international sea or air freight, custom clearance, delivery to your new home abroad. And yes, we track your shipment the entire way. If you're looking for simplicity, security, and professional care, door-to-door is the gold standard, and SDC International Shipping is here to guide you through it. Learn more or request your personalized quote today. Visit our website or give us a call. SDC, making the world your new home.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.